Good morning students. English reader, class 3rd, lesson 6, healthy food. Summary. In this chapter, the Sharma family was shopping for Diwali festival. Meanwhile, they were tired and hungry. So they entered in a restaurant and their children ordered pizza, cold drinks, etc. Mrs. Sharma was not happy and asked them to order something healthy. Later, both mother and father explained their children the difference between healthy and unhealthy food and what are the things that our body needs the most. So, in this chapter, the family went for the shopping and when they feel hungry, they entered to a restaurant and the children ordered the junk food. So, the parents did not like this and they asked their children to order some healthy food such as fat, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, lipids, etc. So we need all these things from various kinds of foods like cheese, butter, milk, eggs, fish, etc. They all give us energy to our body, protect from various kinds of diseases and help to build our body with proper balanced diet and in proper quantity. By overeating, our body gets heavy and though we face lots of problems. We need to drink plenty of water to keep our body hydrated. We should eat our breakfast, lunch and dinner on time. So, to keep our body healthy, we should eat more seasonal fruits and vegetables and drink plenty of water. And we should not skip our breakfast, lunch and dinner. So some of the habits that we should apply in our daily routine. First, we should wash our hands before and after eating the food. Second, we should not talk while eating the food. Third, eat the food slowly. Fourth, eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. Fifth, every day eat your breakfast. Sixth, take proper sleep of 7 to 8 hours. 7. Drink plenty of water. Word meaning. First, annoyed, slightly angry. Second, balanced diet, a diet with the correct quantity and variety of food needed for good health. Third, gloomily, sadly and without hope. Fourth, intestines, long tubes in the body between stomach and anus. Fifth, portions, parts of something larger. Sixth, spicy, having a strong taste because spice have been used to flavor it. Make sentences. First, balanced diet. We should eat a balanced diet to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Second, plenty. I had plenty of candy, so I shared them with my friends. Third, worried. My father was worried about reaching the station on time. Fourth, agree. We all agree that junk food is bad for health. Opposite, cold, hot, quickly, slowly, happy, sad, good, bad, healthy, unhealthy, right, wrong, today, tomorrow, soft, hard, enter, exit. Fill in the blanks. First, I want a chocolate, ice cream and some dash, French fries. Second, junk food is dash and dash, oily and spicy. Third, dash build your body, protein. Fourth, dash gives you energy, carbohydrates. Fifth, dash protect your body from the dash, vitamins, diseases. Sixth, you must also drink plenty of dash. It helps to carry the digested food. Water. Seventh, you need a dash, a diet with portions of different foods to keep us healthy. Balanced diet. Answer the question. First, why was Raghav annoyed? Raghav was annoyed because he did not like Mrs. Sharma telling him not to eat his favorite food item. Second, why is junk food bad for health? Answer, it does not contain roughage. Third, what should we take more that helps to carry the digested food? We should drink plenty of water. Fourth, what is a balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet with portions of different foods to keep us healthy. Fifth, what are the major sources of food that are important for our body? The major sources are protein, vitamins, carbohydrates, fat and roughage. Sixth, what is junk food? Give examples. Junk food is oily and spicy food like pizza, burgers, chow mein, etc. Homework assignment. List some healthy and unhealthy food items with pictures. List the menu that you eat in your breakfast, lunch, dinner. Write some of the good habits while we eat the food. So, copy down the exercises in your reader copy. Learn it, revise it, and do this assignment in your copy. Thank you.